The second question that you need to ask yourself with getting an understanding is multi-site being the right thing for our church is you have to ask yourself, does it fit with our mission and our vision? I refer to this as the multi-site discovery. You know, when we launched our first campus at The Rock in San Diego, it was a little bit of a messy journey because we had this excitement of wanting to go multi-site, but we really hadn't done the homework to clarify the definitions of what our multi-site model was going to look like. And it really starts with the mission and vision. We found ourselves going back to the fundamentals of the ministry and saying, well, what is our mission and what is our vision? Because that really defines how you do multi-site and why you do multi-site. And if you haven't clearly defined that and it doesn't line up with your mission and your vision, then you're really going to go on a very expensive exploratory process of trying to figure out how to do church in a multi-site environment. So the mission determines the why we do ministry the way we do it. And then once you discover that, that defines the need or the who. Who are we trying to reach as a result of our mission and our vision? And once you determine the need of the people that you're trying to reach, are you an evangelistic church? Are you an apologetic church? Are you just a church that really wants to focus on discipleship? Or are you really wanting to create community impact? You see, your sites have to fulfill those missions and those vision that you have within your ministry. And so the need defines the people. And then once you determine the need, that determines the space. If you are going to be an evangelistic multi-site ministry, then your spaces are going to have to be large because you're going to grow. You're going to see a lot of new conversions of faith. You're going to see expansion. You're going to see a lot of numerical increase, things like that. So your space has got to support the mission and the need. Now, once you've determined the mission, the need, and the space, that will determine what your technology needs to be. Technology is such a great tool to use in ministry today. And if you determine those three things prior well, the technology, all it is a tool to communicate and fully fulfill the first three, the mission, the need, and the space. And technology is very expensive, but you know, I talk with a lot of churches and they see things done on a multi-site level and they think, I want to do what they do, or I want to do that. When really, you may not need to do everything that another church does. It's really defined by your mission, the need, the space. The technology is a communication piece that supports that.